Imagine you have 1,000 units of newly launched product ready to ship to Amazon, and all of a sudden Amazon says that no, you can't list this product on Amazon, you can't sell this product on Amazon. This is exactly what happened to with one of my client, and it was a big bomb for him, for us, and he was extremely worried. So in this video today, I'm going to show you and tell you how we figured out and how we still managed to sell this item on Amazon. So this is the category, mushrooms herbal supplements, in which the seller wanted to sell because I recommended him, because most of our competitors in who are selling mushroom coffee are under this category, mushroom herbal supplements, so which is a good one. And I recommended him this category and mushroom coffee also, because mushroom coffee is in trend. I worked with him with on the packaging, on the content, on the ingredients, everything. Product went in the manufacturing process, and we started focusing on other products. And all of a sudden, after a month, our client messaged me that 1,000 units are ready to be shipped. When we started creating listing, the listing was accepted, but after 5 to 10 minutes, it got inactive. It was asking us to apply for approval. When we went on to apply for approval, it said that they are not accepting any new application in this category. Boom, 1,000 units are ready to be shipped, and Amazon is saying that no, they are not allowing you to sell this item. Client got extremely worried. We tried different ways. We deleted the listing, relisted the listing, we changed the SKU, but nothing worked, right? So now mushrooms herbal supplements, we can't sell this item. So at the end, we figured out a way. What if we change the category? We started looking for a next most relevant category, and we found it. It was instant coffee. Let me open the category. Okay. So you see, this is the category. Let me show you. If I go above here. Okay. So if you see, main category for this mushrooms herbal supplement, it was health and household, and now we were switching to grocery and gourmet food. And to switch from that category to this category, we needed to make a lot of changes in the content. We did that, and instant coffee is still relevant, very relevant, and there are many competitors who are selling mushroom coffee under instant coffee. So instant coffee, we found a way to list this item, and when we listed this item, one time Amazon made this listing again inactive, but after a call they made this listing live, and finally we fixed the issue with this category. Now you may think that, okay, when we change the category, the potential of the product, the sales potential of the product can go down, can decrease. But here's the truth. Yes, it is going to matter a lot, but we don't have choice here. Instant coffee is also good. We can sell a good number in this category also, and even better in this category if we have a good product, because ultimately what matters is how good your product is, how good your offer is, how satisfied the customers are with your product through their reviews and ratings, and how are your metrics, how is your CTR and CVR. If all these metrics are working for you, this category change is not going to stop you.